Right. We'll start off with PQ, the first measurement they give us. PQ is equal to 7. So we can mark Q along here somewhere. Or PQ is 7. We can go right or we can go left. There's 7. There's Q. So that's 7 centimeters. The next one we can do QR. QR is 5 centimeters away from it. So we mark 5 on the compass. You draw a light line. So QR, R is somewhere along that line. See that line there? R can be.
Do you also use a ruler for it?
Yeah, use a ruler as well.
Centimeters.
Yeah. PQR is equal to 80. So PQR is equal to 80. So we need a protractor. PQR. So we put the protractor here. So you put the X on the dot of Q. This line has to be on that line. And you start 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There's 80. Mark it. Draw a light line. Alright. PQ, there's R. Alright, so all you have to do then is just join the other two dots together. There's PQR. That was 7. That was 5. And if you want, you can measure that line if you like. Use your protractor. So that's that done. B. On the diagram, part A, construct the image of the triangle PQR under its central symmetry in the point P. Right. Central symmetry in the point P. So that means, right, I'm standing here. I'm going to move, all points are going to come to me and the same distance the far side. So this is part B. Central symmetry, the point P. So the point P is the mirror. Right here. So the point R is going to draw a light line that way, straight through. And there is already a light line there. So the best thing to do is get a compass, point P, measure that distance there to R, and then mark the distance to the far side. So R has travelled that distance and then the same distance again. So that's R dash, the image of R. And then you do the same with Q. P, Q, same distance to the far side. That's Q dash. So this triangle here is the image of this triangle through central symmetry in the point P. Use your protractor now, the last bit, to measure the angle RPQ. If you're not too sure which angle you have to measure, it's the letter in the middle, which is P. The angle P. RPQ. So it's this angle here. So put your protractor down.
You know that Q's 80 already, so.
Yeah, but just use your protractor. So the crosshairs go on to the point P. And you line up the line here. And you start counting at 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Make sure you write your answer down at the bottom. The angle is 40 degrees.